racing just is started. We have Dream Cross first to show quickness at the start, moving up on the outside. Ironheart in the middle portion comes Hail Astar. El Terrible comes next, while Lady Line is the early trailer. And going along for the first turn, we have Dream Cross by a bit ahead. Hail Astar in second. Ironheart is down in third. Snaking on the inner rail is El Terrible, while Lady Line is in behind them. Back to the leader, we have Dream Cross by a length and a half. Hail Astar in second. El Terrible comes next. Alongside comes Ironheart, while Lady Line is in behind them. Past the half-mile distance, we have Dream Cross by about half length. Hail Astar in second. El Terrible is on the outside. Ironheart comes next, while Lady Line is still in behind them. At a far turn, the lead now belongs to El Terrible by a length and a half. Hail Astar in second. Ironheart is down in third. Dream Cross comes next, while Lady Line is still in behind them. And they are entering the home stretch. We have El Terrible this time by about 4 lengths. Hail Astar still in second. Ironheart now in third. With about 100 meters of the race, we have El Terrible by about 4 lengths, followed by Hail Astar in second, and finally it's El Terrible, Hail Astar, then comes Ironheart, Dream Cross, and Lady Line.
At El Terrible did not disappoint his backers. Favorite line mo yan eh.
Okay, doing 134 with splitting so 18 and a half, 24, 24 and a half, 27. It's 134 total time.